Hey everybody, James Yeager, Tactical Response. Today I'm here with Russ Keller, multi-class alumni, and our host here in Bastrop, Texas. Russ, what do you got going on here at the range?
What we've tried to do is create a training range where people can come out and actually repeat the skills that they've learned in the class.
You're saying like so people can come here and they can draw out of their holster and they can shoot on the move, and okay, so I just want to make it clear.
That is correct. What we do is offer something that most ranges don't, and the only way that we can do that is to keep it to be a private course or a private range.
Right.
And what we'll do is we'll host for a day or half day if you only have a few shooters.
Mm-hmm.
We also host other instructors that come out and do that.
Craig, we're shooting right now, Tactical Response, and then Craig Douglas is here this weekend.
Tomorrow, that's right.
So you guys got stuff going on?
Yeah, pretty much at least 3 weekends out of the month or something. Our goal is to have at least 30 classes a year eventually.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But during the week, we still need to put money in the bank.
Yep.
So we're trying to fill that with people, again, that are conscientious. They want to train. They want to come out and practice skills that they've learned in classes. And our goal is to provide a place that when you show up in the morning, you can practice safely, and at the end of the day, go home a better shooter than you did when you got here.
You're not just going to let anybody show up here, right? You're gonna kind of weed some people out.
That is absolutely correct.
So what are you looking for in a, I guess we'd say, member of the organization?
Well, point of contact would like to at least be a CHL holder, military, ex-military, a veteran, or current LEO. We're going to try to keep our groups to 8 to 10, no larger than that, and then we will provide RSO as well.
Okay. What if one dude wanted to come out here and rent the place?
We could do that.
And what would you be looking for from that guy?
Preferably a permit holder, but if we have just at least some knowledge or somebody to at least vet them.
And how do folks find out about this place and where it's at and what the fees are and all that?
You can go to Uptex Shooting Range, our Facebook page. Our web page is under construction. It should have been up by now, but
that's all right.
It's proven to be a little more challenging than
but this video might be up for 10 years.
Yeah,
so,
well, that's true.
So what's it going to be when it's up?
UptexShootingRange.com.
Uptex,
UP. We're in Upton. And we're in Texas, so
okay.
Uptex. I'm not very creative.
UPTEX. No, I like it.
Yeah. Uptex Shooting Range. Or you can contact me on my phone, 512-914-0915.
We've been training here like 6 years? 8 years. Okay.
Yeah,
I've been here a long time. I love this place. So if you're an instructor that's looking for a place to come, this is it, man. I'm telling you, the crew here is great. Bastrop is great. I've said many times, and Russ has heard me, if I couldn't live in my home state of Tennessee, I'd live not only in Texas, Bastrop, Texas. I would live in this area. And I really like coming here. You can't beat the barbecue or the Mexican food around here. Everybody's really nice. It's really an easy place for us to come and teach classes. It's convenient. It's not far from town. The farm is great because we don't have some oppressive range Nazi breathing down our neck. Russ is like, oh, you guys are safe. I'll see you later. And if we can train here, anybody can. We do crazy stuff. So I'm just telling you, if you're looking for a location to do classes, as another instructor, some of my instructor friends out there, this is my favorite place besides home to teach.
And we appreciate that.
And Russ and his son and his wife and his friends that are firemen that train with us are all just wonderful people. Russ is the kind of guy you call in the middle of the night and say, I need you, and he doesn't ask why. And that's the kind of guy he is. So is there anything else that you want to, maybe you forgot to say or want to say about?
Well, we're growing. We've added a few little things out here. We're going to have a covered shooting area in case we have inclement weather. Eventually, within the next couple of months, I want to start hosting some night shoots. We have a lot of people in Texas that hunt hogs at night, and they need a place to zero their NV, their nods, etc., etc. And so we're going to try to at least put together one night a month where people can come out and get their equipment squared away. So when they show up to hunt their hogs, they don't miss.
Right. Well, they're going to miss, but they have less things to blame the miss on.
Right.
So is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Guys, again, Uptex Shooting Range, Facebook page, URL will be live hopefully pretty soon. Great, wonderful, fantastic place to shoot.